know you have tried flat beans in different ways, but I am pretty sure this recipe of flat beans you have not tried it before and it's the first time you will be watching in my channel. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe with flat beans, which is easily available in winter season. And the ingredients are 200 grams of flat beans or broad beans, you can say, with that salt, yogurt, onion paste, green chilies, bay leaves, cloves, ginger garlic paste, sugar, flour, as well as garam masala. Now let's begin today's recipe. First of all, take the flat beans, wash it thoroughly. Now take a knife and cut both the edges of the flat beans the way I am showing you over here. Once you are done with all the flat beans, then place them into the hot oil. For that, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add all the flat beans with little salt and fry it in a medium-high flame until it turns light golden from both the sides. Next, let the flat beans fry in a medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. On the other side, we will make a paste for the gravy of this curry. Now, take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Into it, add 1 teaspoon of normal sugar and add half teaspoon of plain flour. Now mix everything well and keep aside for the next part of this recipe. Do you know that flat beans are a good source of protein and they are quite beneficial for heart health? So, try to have flat beans during winter season, and especially all vegetables during their seasons are very good for our health. Now our flat beans are done. Remove it from the pan, and onto that same pan we will cook further. Add 2 bay leaves, 2 to 3 cloves, and then add 1 medium sized onion paste. Stir it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Again stir it well and cook for some time until the raw smell goes away and oil starts to release. Next, add salt as per your taste and 2 to 3 green chilies, though add green chilies according to your taste bud. After stirring it well for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will add the yogurt paste which we had made at the beginning of the recipe. Into this bowl, add half cup of water, wash everything and add that water too so that nothing go waste. Next, after adding the yogurt paste, then stir it well and cook in a very low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, add the fried flat beans. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Stir it well and then cook for 4 to 5 minutes in a very low flame so the flat beans absorb all the masalas. So finally you can see how easily you can make the flat bean curry with very little ingredients. From above, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and then serve in a serving plate and enjoy this yummy and delicious flat bean. And if you think this recipe is unique and the first time you are watching in my channel Cooking Story, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode. Till then, enjoy!